Good morning, guys. So, responding to your request, I'm doing more vlog style videos and also showing you more what I'm eating in the day. I'm gonna do right now. I just woke up like 2 hours ago. What I do in the morning, first thing, I have next to my bed right now, I have a big glass of water, of filtered water with my Berkey water filter, with some peppermint leaves in there, and then I have a piece of lemon next to it, and when I wake up in the morning I squeeze in the lemon and I drink that. I also have a piece of aloe vera that I'm just chewing like that and then swallowing, and then I leave like an hour or so or 2 hours depending on if I'm hungry or not before I come to this breakfast, what I'm going to show with you right now. Okay, let's do this. Hi Panama. Lots of traffic out there right now. Okay, so first thing what I do is, like, in the evening I take out my mangoes. These are organic from the organic farm from my landlord, which you're gonna see maybe in another video, and they're coming out of here. Right now the freezer is empty, but before it was completely filled with bananas and organic mangoes. So I take out those mangoes in the evening and I put them here for defrosting. We're gonna use those two for the smoothie. So I'm making a smoothie. What goes in there is pretty simple. Always the same thing. 1 cucumber, lovely cucumber. Then we have cilantro, and I also sometimes do more aloe vera if I feel like it. Then we have peppermint leaves, and unfortunately just a little kale left. Usually I use like 1 handful of kale as well. And I'm also going to use this one here. This is wheatgrass powder, and sometimes I use spirulina, but today I feel more like I'm going to use that one here, another plastic box, which is perfect food, organic. It's a green formula, contains some probiotics, but I didn't buy it for the probiotics. Basically barley grass juice powders, all organic, wheatgrass, a little bit of sprouted stuff, millet sprouts, some spirulina, kelp as well, unfortunately also chlorella, yeah, and some enzymes. This will go in there. I start with the mango. Fresh mangoes is always better if you can get fresh mangoes, but I couldn't because I had so many ripe ones from the farm, so I needed to go in the freezer to make them, to preserve them. The mangoes, that's how they look. Now comes the cucumber. I usually, what I do is, like, if it's not organic, this one is organic, I do the washing, pesticides off washing before, so after I buy them, and then I put them in the fridge when they're clean. So when I go into the fridge in the morning, I can just use everything without needing to wash anything again or do any pesticides removal or whatever. So easy peasy. But in the morning I don't like to think, I just like to have food and do. One of the best foods you can do for your liver in the morning, cucumber. So, yay! Look at this, cilantro. This much. And we have some organic mint, the bacteria, of course, because it's an essential oil herb, and it also helps to cleanse your lymphatic system. This is why I use that, and of course it tastes amazing, makes everything fresher. I am not going to use aloe vera today, but if I would use aloe vera, I would use like this much amount. And the last little pieces of kale. So don't worry about the stems, guys. Stems also contain a lot of sulfur. Now it's on the floor. Sulfur, so you want to use the stems. I put everything in there. Don't think about it. Make it easy. Let's go. Now I'm going to blend this, and then I'm going to add those guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of water because those are powdered and they need some space for, you know, expanding. I would love to use coconut water. If I have fresh coconut water, I use that. If not, I use Berkey, my friend, the Berkey water filter. Yeah. Lovely. So now here we go. By the way, I'd love to use barley grass juice powder, but they don't just have it here in Panama City, so I didn't find it. And Amazon is not delivering to Panama in an easy way. Till I figured this out, organic wheatgrass shots is what I'm going for. And I'm gonna use like 1 teaspoon. Yay! Breakfast is ready! You see, this is a lot. No, this is, I don't know how much. I'm in a sublet apartment, so I don't have like perfect juicer, but the perfect blender. But this one is actually nice. This is gonna keep me occupied for like 2-3 hours. And then if I get hungry before lunch, I eat another piece of cucumber, I eat some fruit, maybe some dried fruit, whatever. Just a grazing technique. Or I decide I don't need anything and I'm just going with lemon water or normal water. Question of the day, I'd love to know from you, what is your favorite smoothie ingredient that you use in your morning smoothies? Let me know in the comments below your favorite smoothie ingredient, and maybe we can create something by combining all of the comments and create a new video. Thank you for inspiring me and the gut feeder community, and I talk to you soon. Bye bye.